Good morning! It's December 28th and it's 11:52 a.m. We are on our way to Pilgrim's Restaurant. Nasa sa Marilog, and we're in Davao. So, what namin dito mga because we want to try their restaurant and we want to also have a road trip. That is here. And yes, let's see if worth it na bang ilahang restaurant o worth it na bang biyahe. But we'll see you there! Say hi!
Hi.
Where are we going? We're going to the food. We are already in Marilog. We're just 23 kilometers away from Pilgrim. Daddy's driving. And the kids are here. And nanay too. Pero na pa mi sa biyahe. We're still traveling 24 minutes more.
G-Pods mo lagi ni?
It's different. Sanahan pa yata.
Kato?
Ana,
Tara,
otro
tara.
Pilgrims. Pilgrim. Tada. Going here. Yeah. We are already in Pilgrim. Gakaan lang mi. Gawait lang mi nga makapark.
Video dira la ba
Because there's still a lot of cars going outside. So, nag-wait pa mi nga makagawa sila. Kay gamay ang dalan. But we're here! Kuya Ching is here. Baby Cassette is sleeping. And Nanay's just chilling. Da, baguang eyeglass.
Holding my drawing pad.
Yeah, Kuya is just holding his drawing pad. I think it's time to go down. Oh, pwede na?
Wait lang.
Can we go?
Video lang.
We can go.
Paklaro mo, boss?
Daddy, the brown car
Where is
is
it?
the same as our brown car.
Boss, Pilgrims, boss! Ano may bao-bao? Diri lang. Sige, sige. Thank you.
Daddy, the brown car is the same as our brown car.
Is it?
Yes.
This one is the Campfire Pizza Co. But I don't think this is Pilgrim.
Pizza.
I'm not
That
sure.
looks like a campfire.
Yeah.
What?
There's another restaurant that's called Sebastian's.
You have to go to the campfire
Like so?
pizza first.
Thank you. So guys, we're here at Pilgrim's Restaurant. So, since daghan kay tao ba niya, nakalimot si ma'am og pa-reserve. Waiting me, ikaw pati. So, magpapat lang mi guys sa vacant space. Hi.
Say hi to the video. You're gonna be included in the video later.
So, while waiting, kita may aning dako kay nga butterfly. Ambot, butterfly ba ni siya or moth? Big kayo siya. So nice. It's a what? A big butterfly. Na daw table vacant. So, ilalala sang i-prepare. Limpyuhan sa daw nila. Tawagon lang daw ibalik kung ready na.
Hello. I think it's been 30 minutes already and we are still waiting for our food. They were able to that's a big mosquito. They were able to serve our coffees and soda right away, but we've asked them to serve our appetizers first, but it's been 30 minutes I think, and we haven't had any food yet. Nothing is served yet. So we're waiting. Hopefully it will be served soon. Ang dami kasing tao, dagat kaig tao. Maybe because it's Saturday, so daghan nagdayo diri. We even waited a few we even waited a few minutes, like maybe 10 to 15 minutes just to be seated. And now that we are seated, we're still waiting for our food. Hopefully it's worth it. We'll let you know. But ASMR. We'll do ASMR. Okay. Hi.
Where's my food?
I don't know. We're still waiting for it.
Wow, I want to eat. What food can I eat?
We've ordered a lot of things.
Wow.
We try to eat all of them and see what you like.
What? I like everything.
You like everything? We'll see.
Wow.
Our appetizers are already here. This is potato. So na siya ay poutine. And also a mushroom soup, truffled mushroom soup. So let's eat. Another mushroom soup. Sabi ni Dad, murag di daw ko ganahan, but let's try. It's okay. Okay naman. Okay rin siya glasa. Medyo tabangon siya, no? It's fine. Lami lang.
This one, right?
It is fine. And then, nasa like bread. Let's try the bread. Let's try it with the bread.
You don't want it? It's yummy. Have a taste.
It's yummy with the bread. Kami?
Try it. So yummy.
Dili siya?
What? Potato?
Kami?
The other food is like,
It's actually yummy.
man. Only the soup and the potato. Like potato?
Ma, try og ka ng kuhan. Ibutang sa mommy, nanay doesn't like it.
I want it with other food.
It's yummy. I like it. Poutine, basta ka na. Let's try it.
Blackened salmon and seafood aglio olio. This one is Montreal chicken. So we're still waiting for the beef bourguignon.
Wala pa.
Salamat sa
Okay, so let's try the poutine something. Grabe ang cheese, oh. Cheesy, so cheesy.
This one?
Yummy. This is the beef bourguignon.
Mashed potato.
The poutine is yum.
Kuya, olive. Just take out the rice.
Yummy.
Lamasan ba? Joseph, don't kick. Don't kick me. Sir, you're hurting me.
Hi guys. Gamay kayo ang potato poutine and ang blackened salmon pod kay lami. Lami jud siya. Pagkaluto among gi-request kay medium well. So wala na po siya na well done pero okay ra. Lami gyapon. And ang mushroom kay mura jud siya fresh mushroom na ilang gihimong soup. So lasa jud kay siyang shiitake mushroom. Dili ganahan si nanay but it's okay. Lami. Medyo pricey ilang pagkaon pero okay lang. Lami man po ilang foods. Pang social. Wala na kanunay kay daghang kay patatas, busog na kay mi sa patatas ani. So that's it guys. Couch ako. Mukbang. Mukbang.
We were able to try the beef bourguignon. It's yummy.
Ipis kayo yung noodles. Mas nang gabi.
I like the soup so much. The blackened salmon is also good.
Diri po dagang kay olives.
I'll try the Tanisha. Something spicy chicken. chicken. It's a bit salty. Quinoa, I think. Dami. Saan kayo? The aftermath. Boom. Boom. Boom.
So, we're done eating Pilgrims. So, ayun guys. I-try lang na mo para at least ma-experience na mo ilang food dire. Mautanan ta kay ma'am kung mabalik pa ba ta dire. Mabalikan? Dili.
Hindi ko siya ingon mo kanang
Lami man sila pero
I think
dili.
dugay pa kayo
Oo.
before mo balik.
Dili po siya worth it balikan inani kalayo para lang dire. Mura ginana style.
Siguro kung nana to daan diri ata ko. Nana tay ka na, nana ta sa Buda daan ta ko. Gusto lang ng restaurant.
Pwede siya. Pwede mo balik dire.
Pero ikan to ata ba? Wala jud nimo toyo. I think it's not.
Yes. So, mo to guys. Salamat.
Not yet.
The food.
Not yet.
How's the food? Is it yummy? Do you like your food?
I think.
You think? Uh-oh. Let's eat the sticky rice instead, okay?
Yay!
Let's go to the different restaurant.
Why?
Because the sticky rice is there, man. They don't have sticky rice here. Kalabasa. I don't know what it is this. And green apples and celery. Pagawas na mi sa Pilgrims. So, mo to mi sa different restaurant to eat SUMAN. Ito mi sa Seagull karon. Magkaon og SUMAN og mag-inom og SIKWATE.
We are back sa car and then pagtala na mo sa passenger side na door, lumping na siya guys. Kay katapad na mo nga nag-park ganina, murag ila sigurong pag-open nila sa ilahang driver's seat nga door. Pag-open nila ato, didiretso sa mo ang door pod. So nagasgas siya and nalumping siya gamay. So daddy is a bit upset because of what happened. Daddy is suko. Pero wala na tayo mabuhat. Mao na gid na siya. Nalumping na gid siya. Mga tuna ang lumping sa masakyanan. But it's fine. There's nothing we can do about it. What can we say? So we're done na dun sa Pilgrim and we are on our way to Greek Hills Bukidnon. Okay, 11 kilometers away lang siya from Pilgrim. So since gusto pa magsuroy-suroy, magtala na sa dito, and then later on we'll go to Seagull Mountain Resort kay mangayo mi, char mangayo. Pubalit mi atong ilang SUMAN og SIKWATE combo. Kay si Kuya is very fond of sticky rice. So yun, see you later. Bye.
That's all.
Okay. Nagliko me, ni atras me, ni backing me, and everything else. Kay ang Google Maps no, makakuan.
Diri di. Pero pwede mo daw
Maka-vrom-vrom. Dili, ay pwede, isa na daw sila kadalan, pero sa karon dili daw maagian dito. So dapat dili daw ta.
Kapun pa mo.
Medyo dito lang. Welcome to JMCC Peak.
Oh, JMCC Peak man na gini.
Oh, karito naman tayo.
It's not there, di ay. We're not gonna go
Tara,
there.
dito this Pikas.
Here.
We go here.
Sa
Up, let's park here.
Greek Hills parking customer scanner line. Ito. For customers only.
Hey guys, so we're here at the Greek Hills. I think it's Kitaw-Taw na ni siya dire. Yes, it's Kitaw-Taw Bukidnon. So we're here. And bata na may bayad na 5 years old or 2 years old.
Ang fried chicken.
50 as
Nani ka adults? Oh, chabalay.
Stamp ka diri sa kuan sa guard ilhanan nga nakabayad na kag entrance fee. So we're here guys. Whoop. Wow, look at the view. So nice. Look at the roses, oh. So big. Dago kayong mga roses, oh. So nice. Yeah, tada. You sit down there, oh. Come on, sit down, tatanan, be.
Gani. Nak, be careful. Mga kuniti mga bata mo.
Picture si ma'am sa roses. Gawa pa kayong mga rose, guys. Oh. So nice. Sana mga bata. Where's nanay? There. Nanay. There. No running, please.
We're here in Greek Hills. Look at it. Look at the view. It's so nice. Day tour lang. Naglaag-laag lang may. But it's so nice here. Murag, pag mato ka diri kay murag nice shoot siya. Murag kag nasa Greece. A little bit. No, Dad, no.
What?
Ala, it's a nice place. Up. Pulling.
No. There's a lot of flower.
A lot of flowers.
And
The pollen.
Maka pollen.
The polling is na falling. Na makapolling. Look at the view. Look at it. nice. It is nice indeed. So we're gonna go up. Nabay something upstairs. Sa taas. Ay, asa ta dapit dad? Sa taas pa?
I think.
There pa?
Hindi ko sure.
One there. Yeah.
Oh, there pa siguro.
Mga laagan. Kalit-kalit ramang tag-abot diri nak.
It's okay.
Mga on naman.
Since we're here already.
Gani.
Yay!
So nice.
So
naman
nice.
diri.
Dito tayo diri. Sulit ang biyahe.
Yeah. Sulit ang biyahe. Na naman dyan tadaan diri so.
Diri,
Ihapitan na
biyahe
lang.
pa bantag another 11 kilometers. Up. Excuse me.
Oh, look at it.
Ooh. Oh, diri oh, si Jeta dito.
Look, wow!
Ang buhat pa sa mga roses.
Look at it.
Dari okay, nag-kios pa.
So nice. Yeah, you're not allowed to pick it up, okay? Because you're not allowed. Hi, kuya.
What?
Pick it up.
What does
Nadali to dedo katong wala pa nag-bloom.
Video lang naman.
So, we're going up. I think there's something more here. Ooh, another view.
So nice.
Apil po siya. Come on, you hold me.
Ay, salute na. Ay, bakal
Yeah.
man. Tara. Go up.
Are you sure?
Yes.
How about you take a picture there?
Okay, there na lang.
Come here, Kuset.
Gana video da ano na kung sabi.
Come here.
So, nag-picture mi diri. Si ma'am kay nag-picture sa ako. Akong photographer for today's video. Ako mapoy mag-photo sa ilaha tanan. So si ma'am mag-photo sa ako. So nice kayo diri, as in sulit ang biyahe, additional biyahe nga 11 kilometers. So mo ni ang view diri sa may gawas, sa may parking dapit. Kani. Tapos pag nanaka sa sulod, mo ni ang view. Look at the camera ba? Nag-pictorial ang duha. Ay, nako na lang ning duha. Okay. So, man may pictorial diri sa taas. Ato na pod mi diri sa ubos. Dito na pod mi mag picture.
that's the port has there? Oh, let's go there. Oh, that's one. Mommy, no, it's the port is. Blue color.
Let's take a picture here.
Okay. Look here, kuya. 1, 2, 3, smile. One more, ha. Okay, one more. Kuya, look here. You smile, kuya. Ikaw karon. Okay, come on, let's go down na. Say na dire. Hmm. Souvenir shop. So we're done here sa Greek Hills. Next, we're going to Seagull Mountain Resort to eat suman and drink SIKWATE. Kay the best jud kay ni ilahang SIKWATE dire guys sa Seagull. So isag layo jud kay daghan jud kay mga tao nga magbalik-balik jud. Sabi pud kay ilang suman nga dito lang gid mo mapalit sa ilaha. Kay dili pwede i-take out. So nice. Our cars here. Nag-inusara na lang. Ganiha guys, kay puno kay nag-parking. Game mo ng parking space ng dalan diri ganina. So just arrived diri sa Seagull Mountain Resort Restaurant. Park lang namin. Gonna eat some suman and drink SIKWATE. Kay nagsugod nagtugnaw diri. Taud-taud ani magpag na ni. Dili na siguro. So see you inside guys. Oh, watch where you going? So,
I want them to.
We are here. We are here. We are here. Hi, Reggie. So satisfying. So smooth, no? So soft. We're in Seagull.
Leia.
No, Seagull Mountain Resort.
Oh.
We're gonna eat.
Sticky rice.
Sticky rice.
I want to have a number, please.
After we order, I think they're gonna give us a number, but if not, then that's okay.
They have a number.
okay, so guys, mo ni ang pinakasikat nga suman diri sa Seagull Mountain Resort Restaurant and ang ilang pinakalami nga SIKWATE. So, I have one for me, for mommy, for kuya, and for nanay is not here yet. Oh, there. For nanay and extra for me. Hahaha. So, let's eat. Mwa mwe mwi mwa 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 mwi mo. Uh-oh. What are you eating, kuya? Suman. It's a suman. Sticky rice, suman. Do you like it? Yeah. That's good. How about the chocolate drink? Chocolate. Chocolate. Choco. Hi, mom. How's the drink and suman?
Yummy.
You like it?
Ice cream, yum. Ice cream good.
I need to eat sticky rice.
Nanay. Lami, ma, lami.
Lami.
Lami, kaayo.
Mamita, ayo.
What?
Nano.
Naninano. You're so silly. What did you say?
Nano.
Say, lami kaayo.
Kano.
Don't cover your mouth. Come on. Say, lami kaayo.
Kano.
Hi. Okay, so we're done. We're done eating our snack. Snack. So, humanamig kaon, humanamig tanan sa amo ang mga kabuang, guys. So, muli na Davao.
We are finally home. It's already nighttime, but we're home safe. Thank you, Papa God, for bringing us home safe. And thank you guys for watching. What happened to your hair? Ooh. Say thank you for
Watching.
See you again next time, please.
Subscribe.
And
Like.
see you next time. And Cassette too, come here.
My cellphone.
Bye.